coming up here live, I have our full extended forecast here straight ahead and the latest details. So, okay, good afternoon, guys. Good evening, guys. It's noon. It's currently noon here right now. Yes, so currently noon right now. Let's go today for our forecast right now. Okay, so here's some of our current temperatures here right now. Right now, for some of our current temperatures here right now. So right now we're currently 20 Knoxville, 19 Maryville, 25 Bryson City. If you live down to Crossville, 14, Jamestown, 15, Williamsburg, Kentucky, 17. Right now we hear cold right now. So our highs today we're going 27 Knoxville, 28 Maryville. Lows tonight, whoa, look at those lows tonight. We'll be cold, brisk, and a little bit nippy here tonight for our forecasting lows. So keep this in mind. So tonight for our forecasting lows, we're going to be into the single digits in a few pockets of teens, but mostly into single digits. We're going 8 Knoxville, 8 Maryville, 5 Bryson City, 3 Williamsburg, 3 Jamestown, 3 Crossville. Tonight be cold. So here's our 12-hour weather forecast here for the next 12 hours. So 1 p.m., 24, 3 p.m., 26, 5 p.m., 25, 7 p.m., looks to be around 19, 9 p.m., 15, 11 p.m., 12, and then 1 a.m., 10. So keep this in mind. Rainfall in the next 48 hours, we're not pick up much rain, but this would change Thursdays. I bet that'd be changing Thursday. Our numbers in yesterday. So yesterday we had a high of 43 to low of 29. Our average rise around 49. Average low was 30. Record high set back in 1950 was around 77. Record low set back in 1905 was around 2. That's cold, that brisk, and that's a bit nippy. So keep this in mind. Rainfall over the next 48 hours. Not really much rain here, or not really much precipitation here over the next 48 hours. That is probably good news if you want if you want stuff to melt. Whatever melts on the road today will be refreezing again tomorrow night. Whatever that melts on the road here today will be refreezing again later on tonight. Unfortunately, sorry to break that news, but yeah. Right now, let's go update some of our current temperature right now. Right now, I go tell you, we are cold and chilly, brisk, nippy, and frigid right now. Okay, here's some of our current temperature here right now. So right now we are currently 20 Knoxville. Right now we're currently 20 Knoxville, 19 Townsend. Tellico Plains is around 15 Tellico Plains. Athens is around 21. Monticello 16. Williamsburg, Kentucky 17. Oneida 16. Speedwell 19. Jamestown 15. Crossville 14. We are cold. So here's our radar and cloud cover right now. For our radar and cloud cover down to Knoxville, Maryville, Madisonville, Bristol, Johnson City, Newport. For all those areas right now, we have some clear skies right now. That's some good news to hear about that. But here's some of our current temperatures here right now. Right now we're currently 19 Maryville, 18 Happy Valley, 19 Chilhowie, 20 Knoxville, 20 Seymour, Wallen 11. Townsend 19, Trelmont 23, Elkmont 24, Kodak 23, Sevierville 21, Pigeon Forge 22, Gatlinburg 24, Newfound Gap near Bryson City 7, Cosby 21, Hartford 18. We are cold. Here's our 8-day planner. So today for Monday 26, tomorrow for Tuesday 34, Wednesday and Hump Day 36, Thursday 33, Friday 32, Saturday 35, Sunday 39, and Monday 43. This is our 8-day planner, so keep in mind right now. We are a bit cold here, so keep this in mind. We are a bit chilly and a bit cold, but keep this in mind. Okay, so now let's get a check with some of our traffic cameras here this afternoon. Let's see how our roadways is looking like here this afternoon, which I know when we did our cut-in, I saw your traffic here earlier this morning during the 4 a.m. show as well from earlier this morning. Now time for this show. So there's some traffic right now, okay? So traffic over our Hunt Road in the Maryville Alcoa area. Traffic there looks moving pretty good. Traffic in the green, but when I looked at it on the 4 a.m. show, it looked a little bit wet and frozen, but it looked good for right now, but to be every month today be refreezing again later on tonight, so keep this in mind. And then traffic there, the U-Haul place on Alcoa Highway, traffic there, left moving pretty good there. Use caution if you're driving on the roadways. There may be some patchy black ice, but use caution so you do not get into like a little accident. But that would not be good. But okay. Okay, right now here's the view of Topside Road. So traffic over at Topside Road moving pretty good over at Topside Road, but use caution if you be traveling out on the roadways here today. Okay. And then traffic over at North Shore moving pretty good over at North Shore. If you have to be traveling on the roadways, just use some caution if you have to be traveling out on the roadways here this afternoon. So keep keep this in mind. Okay. Okay, so now let's go over here right now. Okay. No crash now. Hang on, wait a second. I had to wait for it to load. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. We should be live. Hang on. We should still be live still. I hope. Okay, good. Now we're back in. Now it should be back in business now. Okay, so right now, let's jump over here right now to some more some more current conditions here right now. Just get y'all more to up to what's going on. So let's see our temperature. Okay, now time to see our temperature outlook here for the next few days. Okay, so here's our temperature outlook. So unfortunately, we'll be looking cold here over the next few days. Unfortunately, okay, over the next few days between February 2nd through the 8th, we look to be below normal to below average temperatures. We still be trending to be a bit cold. Sorry to break that news. No warmer weather through that time frame. I'm kind of sorry to break that news about that. As of that time frame, we still be continue to be trending to be a bit cold through that time frame. So keep this in mind. Okay, so now hang on momentarily as I get this put up. Okay. So let's get up to date with this right now. So we do have tonight into Tuesday morning. Well, we have a cold, extreme cold advisory warning for Crossville, Jamestown. Wind chills low as -10. The area in this color down to Knoxville, Maryville, have wind chills 0 to 10 degrees. This area there have wind chills -15 to -20 degrees. This area there has negative wind chills from -10 to -15. Looking to be a bit cold. So tomorrow morning for our Tuesday morning, our wind chills will be into the negatives. We'll be -2 Knoxville, -4 Maryville. We've been to negative. It'll be cold tomorrow morning around 7:30 in the morning. Though tomorrow or tonight, we're going 8 Knoxville, 8 Maryville. Tonight, we look to be a little bit cold here tonight for our forecasting. We look to be a little bit cold here tonight for our forecasting low, so keep this in mind. So y'all need to bundle up and practice cold weather safety as well. So we highly urge y'all to stay safe from this cold weather and all of that stuff. Okay, now let's go jump over here now. Now let's see our rain changes here next 7 days. And then okay. Here's our rain changes here next 7 days. Check back for updates. This could change. So today for Monday, today for Monday is a 20. Tomorrow for Tuesday is a 0. Wednesday's a 0. Thursday let's be a 40. Friday's a 0. Saturday's a 20. Then Sunday's a 0. This is our rain changes. That's no changes here next 7 days, but check back for updates. This can potentially change through this time frame, so keep this in mind. So this can change, but just check back for updates. I'll have the latest here throughout this week and all that stuff. So now here's our 3-day weather forecast. So this is our 3-day weather forecast. So keep this in mind, okay? So today for Monday, 27, low 18. Then tomorrow for Tuesday, 35, low 8. And then Wednesday on Hump Day, 34, low 17. And this is our 3-day weather forecast. So keep this in mind. Now let's highlight our forecasting lows for the next 7 days, which I gotta tell y'all, it could be we gonna have a bunch of cold mornings here this week. You want to wear your winter toboggans, your winter beanies, your jackets, your gloves, the neck gaiters, all the essentials, so you do not get frostbite or hypothermia, because it could be a cold blustery week. We feel like we moved to the Arctic for some reason. I don't know why I'm using that term for some reason. Okay. So here's our forecasting lows here the next 7 days. So today's low here on our Monday is around 18. Tomorrow's low on our Tuesday is around 8. Wednesday's low is 17. Thursday's low is 14. Friday's low is 12. Saturday's low is 14, and Sunday's low is 19. And this is our forecasting lows here over the next 7 days. So keep this in mind. This will be our forecasting lows here over the next 7 days. Now here's our forecasting highs here the next 7 days. So keep this in mind, okay? Here's our forecasting highs here over the next 7 days, okay? So today for Monday, 27. Today for Monday, 27. Tomorrow for Tuesday, 35. Wednesday on Hump Day, 34. Thursday, 30. Friday, 32. Saturday, 32. Then Sunday, 36. This is our forecasting highs here over the next 7 days. So keep this in mind. And now here's our today Monday at a glance, okay? So here's our today Monday at a glance. So 7 a.m. earlier this morning, we was around 20, 12 p.m. in the lunch hour, which is right now 24, but my watch says it's 23. Then 4 p.m. looks to be around 26, and this is our today Monday at a glance. Now it's time for our 7-day weather forecast, okay? Time for our 7-day weather forecast now. Hang on momentarily as I find our 7-day. Here we go. Boom. So here's our 7-day weather forecast. So today for Monday, as we start our brand new work week, aka school week, but kids are off school today due to the road conditions and due to cold temperatures. So today for Monday, 27. Tomorrow for Tuesday, 35. Wednesday on Hump Day, 35. Thursday, 35. Friday, 31. Saturday, 30. To Sunday, 34. Okay. Now, have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day. I hope I catch you back here later on today for a full extended forecast here again later on this evening. We're gonna leave y'all looking over at the traffic camera. I want to say over at Hunt Road. This be a good camera to leave you all looking at here this afternoon. So have a great rest of your day and stay safe. Enjoy, y'all, and have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day. Enjoy. Traffic on Hunt Road moving pretty good. You may see some flurries there in a bit. See y'all back here at 4, 5, and 6. Enjoy. Maybe 5 and 6, but just depends. Enjoy.